Morning everyone, how are you? Hope that you all are fit and fine. So today once again you are most welcome in your Ambuja Public School, and myself Rohit Kulsres, your SST teacher, is here to going to teach you about the lesson number 13, our civil services. So as you know that from the last week we have learned so many things about these lessons. We learned about the different type of the services that's available in our India, that is a very prestigious and very high post services like Indian Administration Services IAS, Indian Police Services IPS, and the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI, DM District Magistrate, and SP Superintendent of the Police. So today once again we are here to teach you about the very important and the very prestigious service like Indian Foreign Services. So what is the means of this Indian Foreign Services? So today our lesson 13 are civil services, and our topic is Indian Foreign Services and the Union Public Service Commission. So see, my dear student, what is the function of the Indian Foreign Officer are? So you see in this slide as they're given there, they represent India in different foreign countries. As the name you can see that like foreign minister or the foreign officer. So they represent India in different foreign countries. They work to improve our ties with other countries in field like trade, culture and education. You know that some very good countries like America, Rus, they are very much like capable to do something good for our India. So then our foreign ministers, then our foreign officers, what they are doing some good work to improve our like field, trade, culture and education. All 53 countries work together to promote prosperity, democracy and peace. They do efforts to make healthy and peaceful relationship with other country. So in short we can say that like the highest ranking IFS officer in a foreign country is the ambassador. You know beta, what is the means of the ambassador? The senior most officer representing his or her country in another country is called a ambassador. As I am giving a very simple example, like you in your school, like inter-house competition and some district competition, then one head boy, one head girl and one head person and whatever student, they will move to the other schools and they will represent their schools. So what we have to say, like we don't call the name of this particular person. What we are saying, like this boy represent this school, this girl represent this school. Like same this ambassador, the senior most officer represented his or her country in another country. And as you know that the ambassador is called at High Commissioner, and an embassy is known as the High Commission. The Commonwealth is a group of countries, most of which under the British earlier like India, Australia and Pakistan. So these 53 countries work together to promote prosperity, democracy and peace. And they all the like your service commissions and these officers trained. So you see, IAS officers are trained for about 3 years. They starting their training at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Later on, each officer is trained in a foreign language. See, they like train according to their country. Suppose that one officer they will send to the like Australia, one sent to the Germany, another sent to the like China, and another sent into the Sri Lanka. So according to their country, they like learn the language of their country, because it is a very mandatory, the necessary thing. If they can't good command in their language, then how they communicate with the person those are there, or they will do the with the welfare work for us. So this is a mandatory work also, and this help them in their work. Apart from working in Indian embassies abroad, IFS officers work in India on things related to foreign countries. The IFS is a central civil services and like officer of all India services such as the IAS and the IPS. IFS officer work only under the central government. So you can see the picture. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, he is the External Affairs Minister. Earlier, Dr. Jaishankar was President Global Corporate Affairs at the Tata Sons Private Limited from May 2018. This is the small brief of his life. He was Foreign Secretary from 2015 to 2018, Ambassador to United States from 2013 to 2015, Ambassador to China from 2009 to 2013, High Commissioner to Singapore from 2007 to 2009, and Ambassador to the Czech Republic from 2000 to 2004. So now you can see this person, like they moved so many countries, and they are the like brand, they are ambassador, and they serve as the External Affairs Minister as a present time. Dr. Jaishankar Subramaniam, or Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. And you can see the picture of this. This is the picture of one Indian ambassador in the foreign country. They shake their hands. And this is our Indian embassies. And this is a like Videsh Mantralaya. It is situated in New Delhi, and these all are the like IFS, Indian Foreign Services officers. They complete their training and now they are moved to their countries according to their recruitment or their settlement. So this is the like main work and the main function of the IFS officers. So hope that you must enjoy and learn the good thing, and you got it the main purpose, main thing, and the main work of the IFS, Indian Services Foreign. So thank you and have a nice day, class.